Testing, testing, testing. Hi there guys, my name is Rohan Beve, and in today's video we are going to be talking about what is a glacier. Now, in today's video we are going to be talking about what exactly is a glacier and, well, what is it? So, have you ever imagined a river, okay, but instead of it flowing with water, it flows with ice? Well, that's basically what a glacier is. So how does it form and what exactly is it? Well, again, glaciers are huge masses of ice that flow on land from snow, okay? But what exactly do you mean by forms from snow? So how do glaciers form? Well, you see, it takes like hundreds to thousands of years it could take, okay? So what happens is when it starts snowing, right? Snow falls down from the clouds and lands on the ground, and eventually they start to pile on top of each other, okay? Just creating a regular layer of snow, okay? But you see, if there's a bunch of layers of snow, okay, there's a chance that not all of the snow melts fully. Not all of it melts. So then again, next winter, right, more snow continues to pile on top. And this process repeats for hundreds to thousands of years, okay? So the snow keeps on piling on top until the weight is so much that it starts to compress itself. Eventually, it compresses so much that it turns into solid ice, okay? Hence, we have glaciers. And you see, glaciers move very slowly. Glaciers can move just a few centimeters to a few meters and maybe a bit faster per day, okay? They're very slow because of the weight. You see, because of the weight and the fact they have to move very slowly, they more or less deform, okay, and flow under the force of gravity, okay? So that's how these giant glaciers move. But why should we actually care about glaciers, and why are they so important? Well, you see, glaciers store 69% of fresh water on Earth, okay? And they also supply rivers, like rivers water, okay? So they supply rivers with water during hotter months, like during summer, okay? And glaciers erode rocks, okay, whenever they move. So they can also shape mountains as well, okay? And they can also help with various other stuff and etc. But what happens if it melts? Well, you see, glaciers grow and shrink over time, okay? Sometimes they grow a bit larger, sometimes they melt a little bit, and this process will go on and on and on. But recently, glaciers have been starting to shrink more recently due to global warming, stuff like that. But that more or less is basically what a glacier is and what they are and how they form, and that's, well, basically it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and hope to see you next time. Bye bye.